Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Telegram account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app. Click on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner. Now you want to click on the settings option. Here you can see the privacy and security option with a lock icon on the side. Click on it. Scroll the screen down. And here you can see delete my account option in blue font. Here you can see the word 6 months. Tap on it. This option allows your Telegram account to self-destruct if you are inactive for 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 1 year. Select the amount of time you are gonna be inactive for. Here I'm gonna select 1 month. You can also see a message in lighter font that says that if you do not come online at least once within this period, your account will be deleted along with all the messages and contacts. And that is how you can delete your Telegram account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.